Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar yen, I'm definitely still looking at this as 1, 2, 3, 4, and I still think it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 5. So definitely looks like we possibly could have the end of a wave 5. I just really can't prove it yet because we don't have an engulfing move. We don't have a break of structure, but we may end up getting all those things within the next couple weeks. Moving down to the weekly time frame, even on the weekly, we technically don't have a break of structure yet, and I still actually see a possibility of this being like one wave down, three waves up, and then down again before it continues up. But either way, as of right now, it is definitely going down pretty strong. So taking it down to the daily time frame, ever since we had, the lower high and the break of structure a couple weeks ago, when we had the JPY intervention at that big candle right here, you definitely should have been from that point on looking for sorts in a downtrend. Until these higher time frames like the daily tell me otherwise, I definitely would be looking for sorts. I still am not 100% positive that this is going to just keep on making lower lows, lower highs, but when it does turn back up, we definitely should be able to recognize that, stop looking for sorts, and start looking for longs again. Moving down to the 4 hour time frame, as of right now, this is my most recent structure, but I think that by the end of the day, we'll be able to move our structure level to here, which means that unless price goes up and takes out that high right there, I personally am looking for sorts in a downtrend. I personally am only going short, and I'm only looking for sorts at the end of pullbacks. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, if you had done nothing over these past several weeks except for look for sorts in a downtrend, you'd be doing pretty good right now. There's been sorts up here, there's been sorts right there, there's been sorts right here, sort right there, and sort yesterday. Definitely the trend is your friend until the higher time frames tell us that the trend is over. I will definitely continue to look for sorts at the end of every pullback I see. When the trend is over, we'll definitely recognize the trend is over and we'll stop looking for sorts and we'll start looking for longs again. Until that happens, I would just enjoy the trend. I wouldn't really worry about when the trend was over because the trend will definitely prove itself to be over when it is over. And we'll stop looking for sorts and we'll start looking for longs when that does occur. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.